Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝗙𝗶𝘁 here with a new video. Basically within the series that I am starting, we gonna see if the wig is a flop or not. I'm back and I'm better than me. One bitch on my level, ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this. Oh, this is glueless. I didn't use no adhesive. Here is our first victim. My first wig. Alright, so this wig is called Touchedbyaye. Touchedbyaye. Don't know how to say that. But y'all, do y'all see how pretty this wig is? Do y'all see this freaking wig? It better look just like this. Like, don't even play. Don't even play right now. It better give exactly this. Okay, so it's claiming that we don't need no glue, no baby hairs. So I'm not doing it, okay? Ooh. It says it's pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-styled. It's HD Swiss lace, no shedding, no tangling, and long lifespan. Hair texture Yaki, 10 inches. All right, let's get into it. Okay, look how it's packaged. So, like, I wasn't expecting it to come in one of these. What? Y'all, that packaging eat down. But you get yourself a wig cap. Have a elastic band. Look how cute this pouch is. Look, I got me some clips, which we're going to use. And I got me a comb. Y'all, I think they're not lying. Wait, I'm going to put this on with no glue. This supposed to be 100% glueless? I can't melt this down. Like, okay. This is what it looks like so far. Now, y'all know with lighting, when you take pictures and stuff, the lighting looks brighter. Stop scrolling up, bro. But comparing the photo to the wig, okay, they not scamming us. For the color, okay, 10 out of 10. It matches exactly like the photo, and it definitely gives that Yaki texture in the photo and in real life as well. So let me show y'all up close so y'all won't think I'm lying to y'all. Everything they said that I said in the beginning is giving that. Let me show y'all up close. They was not coming to play at all. Hopefully y'all can see it. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Let me turn the inside out so y'all can see the like full on construction. Alright, so this is the inside of it. I don't know what this is for. I'm not used to that. But let's see if it's gonna make or break the unit. This is the elastic band. And this is just the back of the wig. It has a comb and the drawstrings at the nape. But just looking at the wig overall, I like the construction of it. Alright, so let's put it on. Now I am going to tint the lace, but I want to see what it looks like straight out the box. Like, do I need to do that? Hair's going every which way but loose, okay? First of all, I did not tint this lace, so we know it's actually giving HD. Okay, they say HD Swiss lace, and y'all know that's some good lace. I had these nails on for quite some time, and it's time to do another style. I have to put in the wig on. The wig is a little bit big. I am gonna have to cut it up some so it can fit perfectly. So I like that. Definitely big head friendly. Do I feel, where's my comb? Do I feel that you can wear this wig without securing it down? Definitely. If you're trying to do different styles, definitely gonna recommend you to secure it down. You're not gonna see this. Like, they're not gonna know. Alright, see, that sits perfectly. That fits so perfect. Do y'all see how flat this laid? Like, the way this lays down, glue for what? That's ridiculous. I'm almost done. The way this is giving scalp. Honey, one thing I'm going to do is use what they gave. Amen. Alright. Alright, cream foundation. Going to use the darker shade. I just feel like the darker shade just blends in well. Wait, I don't know where I got this from. Wait, was this my blush brush? Alright, so I'm just taking a little bit and we're just going to dab it on here. Baby, what lace? What lace? That's all I'm gonna say. What mother freaking lace? And of course, if you pull up on it, it's going. All right. Now, I was not recording. This stuff, Beyond the Zone, this is a heat protecting spray. It's very much oil based, so if you use too much, your hair can be way down and greasy. 2 pumps, 1 pump, run it through your hair. You do another pump and run it through your hair. This straightener is the best thing you can own. I put it on almost close to the highest setting. And if you're lazy and don't really like straightening your hair, this is gonna be your best friend, okay? I feel like this hair straightener eliminates the chasing method. It just works so dang on good. Okay. My God, stiff wear. All right, so we definitely need to work on this section because I don't like it. Going in with that cream foundation once more. I'm gonna take me an angled brush from my dirty makeup brushes, and I'm gonna go in with that darker shade again. Just put a little bit of the lighter shade, go back in the dark, and we're gonna define this part. But my part just looks mad wide to me. I'm gonna take this Tarte Lash Mascara and I'm just gonna use it to define this part. Alright girlies, so this is how it turns out. Y'all, this is glueless. I didn't use no adhesive. So, I will applaud them on how they constructed this unit because, baby, I didn't need not 1 ounce of glue, okay? Now, I do lift if you do that, but it's not going nowhere. Let's be a honey, okay? Did it flop? Is it a catfish wig? Tell me what you think right now in the comment section. I'm gonna just tell you what I think. The length, the long is crazy. This is 10 inches, but we need her to be at least 8 inches. With her wig, definitely sitting a little bit below her jawline. As for where mine is sitting on my collarbone, we would have to cut it in order to have it exactly like the photo. I wanted to give it a 10, but again, when it came down to the length, okay, the length is lengthy. Too long. So it has to be an 8.5 out of 10 now. I love the density. It's not too much, it's not too less. Again, I feel like even when you trim it up, it's gonna give it more of a fullness. The back is short. It's giving like, what is it, asymmetrical bob? I think it's asymmetrical. Short to long. This is what this is giving. So let me know what y'all thought of this wig install. Is this something you would copy yourself? Do you love it? Do you wish it was shorter? Sound off in the comment section, okay? That is going to be it for this video. Until my next one, your girl, see you later. Bye guys.